Trainmaster presents a Railroad Productions video. This is my train. We are here at a private residence where they do have a train. There's the end of track 1. Let's go to track 2. Now this train's just a scooter on wood. That's why when I make these turns, the camera may twist. So just keep that in mind. Here we go. Track 2, very short line. Look at this track. It lifted up the road. See, we must keep this straight. Time for track 3, which has never been tested on. So today, I'll film it for once. Check out this line. This is wobbly. That's the end of the track. Thank you for watching. This is my train.